Welcome to the Snapdragon Ride SDK installation tutorial. After downloading the install package from CreatePoint and copying it to your Ubuntu box, the installation process can begin. Extract the Snapdragon Ride SDK package into the current directory. Run the setup script sdk_setup.sh. The script will prompt you for the installation directory and a username and password for your Qualcomm package manager. Enter them and let the installation process proceed to completion. The installation process could take up to 45 minutes. Once installation completes, you may now proceed to open the browser and connect to the console at localhost:8080.